In today's gospel, we hear that familiar question from the apostles when they ask Jesus, Lord, when someone does me wrong, how often should I forgive them? 7 times? And we all know Jesus' response. He says, not 7 times, but 70 times 7 times, which literally means every time. Every time we are wrong, every time we are injured, we are asked, we are called by Christ to forgive. But my question today is a little bit different. My question is, can we forgive God? There are times in our lives when things don't work out the way that we hoped they would. There's times when misfortune, loss of job, death of spouse, our own illness, loss of a child, and many, many other things that happen to us in life. And it's not at all improper. It's not at all wrong to be angry. And sometimes we even become angry with God. After my wife passed away almost 3 years ago, my daughter and I had a conversation in which she said that she was angry with God for taking her mother away. And there was nothing I could say about that except to allow her to have her anger. I hope since then that she's been able to forgive God, to know that even though she has lost her mother, God has not stopped loving her. God has not stopped loving her mother, my wife. And so that example just leads me to ask this question, and this is what I leave you with today. God forgives us always. Jesus reminds us of that today. We are always forgiven by God. Can we do the same to God? Can we forgive God even as we have been forgiven?